Hello everyone and welcome back to the Code Syndicate. In this video, we will talk about how we can import Struct and Enums from one file to another file in Rust. So without wasting time, let's begin. But first, if you are new to this channel and haven't subscribed, please do subscribe it for more Rust content. Now, let's begin. First, let's create a file inside our src directory. Let's name this external file. In this external file, we will create a struct called student, which will have two data, name and the roll number of the student. Here we have name, which is of type string, and roll number, which is of type U32. Now, to use this struct in our main.rs, we will require to add this pop keyword before the struct. So, let's import this struct student in our main.rs. Here, we imported this external file. Now, let's use our student struct in our main.rs. For this, let's create a variable student1 using this student struct. Here you can see we have got an error. That is, both this roll number and this name field of this student struct are private. As you can see, fill roll number of struct student is private, and same for this fill name of struct student is private. That means not only this struct, we need to public these two fields also, so that we can use these two fields in any other file outside of this external file. Here you can see we have now no error. Let's print this student1 in the console. Run the code. Here we got some error. Student cannot be formatted using. The error is the trait debug is not implemented for student. So here we need to add this macro derive debug. Run the code again. Here you can see student name Diana, roll number 1. Now let's see how enums are imported. So let's remove this code, this also, and in this external file, instead of this struct, we'll create an enum. Here we created an enum student with the values passed and failed, and also made this enum public. And in this code, we are applying derive debug macro. Now let's import this external file here, mode external file, and use external file double colon student. Let's create a variable using this enum. Let's print this student one. Run the code, ignore this warning, and here you can say, and here you can see we have got pass in the output.